Okay, so I'm going to do a few more examples from some commonly missed questions on um, calculating mean using data displays. In this particular example, we're finding the mean of the data in the bar chart. So what it says on the top is this is the bubbles blend by each person. There are 4 people. And the number of bubbles you can see on the y-axis. So Manuela blew 4 bubbles, Sophia 5, Jada 6, and Haley 3. So if I'm going to find the mean, those are the numbers I need to use. So I have 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3. Oops, I forgot my 4. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, which is going to give me 18. And since that is 4 people, I'm dividing 4 into 18. So I'm going to come off to the side here. I'm going to divide 4 into 18. 4 goes into 18 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. If I subtract, I get 2. And I need to add a decimal and a 0 and bring the 0 down. 4 goes into 25 times. So the mean number of bubbles blend by each person would be 4.5 or 4.5. Okay, so this is another one that is just a frequency table. So we're just going to use the information provided here. So we know that this is talking about the number of suspensions for each student in the Wright Alternative Learning Program. So 1 student was suspended 4 times. 2 students were suspended 5 times. So two students were suspended 5 times. Okay. 1 student was suspended 6 times. Nobody was suspended 7 times, but 2 people were suspended 8 times. So those are the numbers I'm working with. So I'm going to add a 4, 2 5s, a 6, and 2 8s. So 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 8 is 28, plus another 8 would be 36. So 36 divided by, and that's 6 numbers, would mean that the average number of suspensions would be 6. So the mean number would be 6, which would be the number that should have been put right there. All right, we got 2 more to look at. So let's look at this one. I'll clear this out. Okay, so now this is just another pictograph, and it says that each well is equal to 1 toy well. That's pretty simple. So Luca, Nicholas, and Lena all had 3, and Finn had 5 toy wells. So to find that average, I'm going to say 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So that's 14. And if I divide 14 by 4, all right, so it's not going to go an even number of times. 4 goes into 14 3 times with 2 remaining. So I'm going to add a decimal, a 0, bring down the 0, put my decimal at the top. 4 goes into 25 times. So the average number of toy wells each swimmer held in the pool was 3.5. All right, so one more. All right, so in this problem, each wand would represent each fairy owning 2. So for every wand, that equals 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those at the top. So 2 times 2 is 4. So my first number is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. And 5 times 2 is 10. All right, so those are my numbers. I have 4 numbers. I have 4, 6, 8, and 10. And if I add those all together, I would get 28. And there are 4 numbers, so that means that the average number of wand each fairy owns would be 7. Okay, so for this particular question, the mean would be 7. That would be our answer. So when I put my answer there, I would put a 7. All right, so really, the most basic thing you have to do here is just read the information on the chart or pictograph or bar graph, whatever it is they show you. Add up the numbers, divide by the number of numbers, just like you would any problem that is talking about mean. And that's it. All right. Thanks. Have a good one.